I was expecting it to be a little warmer.
I told all you guys.
I was expecting it to be
Holy
colder.
water's good.
Seriously, this
Why would you want it to be colder?
I thought you meant like really cold.
What's the difference between cold and really cold water?
Let's go join the club.
Fuck that trauma, bro. Beer brings down the...
Anybody can go in the water? Oh god. Me? Yeah, you said you. Oh, you're not going to go in the water.
Actually, the three of us except for her.
Why?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I can't go in the water.
Why?
Because then if she gets more sick, they're gonna kick my ass.
They're gonna kick his ass.
We should push her.
You
Shit,
carry
I'll
her
help you
back
guys.
over there.
I'll help you guys.
I could.
I'll help them.
Go through you. Huh?
We should collect seashells.
You could.
I'm pretty sure we all kind of water. Jeez. So be so negative.
Well, you can.
Told you.
I don't want dirt in my shoes. Too bad.
To take off your shoes and you won't get any dirt in them.
No.
Just take off your shoes.
Oh no, Billy.
It would be funny if you just sink in the hole.
All of a sudden you. Yeah.
What? You're gonna get in the water. I'm carrying over.
And Brianna's gonna. They're gonna get in the water.
You guys know what I'm carrying over there?
Hardly anybody in the water.
Yeah, like a freaking 100 degrees.
Maybe they just ran a mile.
Even if I ran a mile, I want to jump in a freaking cold water. It's freezing. Like there's a lot of birds. Yesterday we passed by a Google cart.
We passed that Google car a long time ago.
We're like, oh my
A
God,
Google car? That Google car,
You know, like, oh my God, in my shoe.
that we saw when we were walking back from,
What do you expect to be in your shoes? What?
Yes.
you should be smart and like take off your shoes.
Poop. I already. Oh. I got pooped on.
She got pushed out of the off. I'm seeing
Because I was kind of like this because it's sliding. I was like, ew.
I'm seeing my leg from being pushed on. I was like, I was literally like skip my leg on my
So
kiss.
nasty.
But then you just see her run.
Even when you cheese them out.
Alright, let's go for it.
Go away. Oh. That guy's in the water. Crazy.
It's probably warm in there already.
Seriously, it is. Scientifically proven the water gets all that. The water sucks in all the heat. Yeah, the water takes the heat in.
Look at Paradise. Paradise Island. No, it's not in an island though. Oh, yeah. Creative.
They're gonna get in.
Oh no, we're good.
Probably take a picture of my face back. Huh? I'm thinking about it. So. I just remember it was so cold. I used to hurt my feet. So yeah. Oh, sandcastle!
That's what we were talking about.
Barely noticed. Yeah, I barely noticed.
That was like a mile in conversation.
I know. You weren't even halfway here and you already saw the Tilted Castle.
That's what you said, what's it called, Paradise?
Paradise Island. So it's not in an island.
Like paradise. Paradise.
No.
The brown birds. Oh, remember the brown birds aren't that black.
Yeah.
No, They're
No.
the buffers. The white ones aren't that buff.
That's why you don't be on the
So,
So cold. Look, she came
you can
prepared.
get her first.
She go for the water.
What? I'll take my jacket. Come on, we're meant to go.
There you go.
Sit your longitas down. Sick bastard. Literally.
Literally.
Jacket.
Huh?
Jacket.
I'm taking it.
No, you're not. Jacket.
You're literally gonna go inside the water.
Huh?
You're literally gonna go inside the water. Shell, we should have brought something so we could collect them inside. What is that? Is that an or? What is that? I think it's a coconut. Do you think it's a coconut? I'm pretty. Is that a coconut? I wouldn't be able to feel it now, would I? It's not cold? It isn't cold. It isn't cold though. Where'd it go? It broke. It didn't throw it. It broke.
Oh, you broke it.
Exactly.
These aren't even the shorts I was supposed to me. I have them under.
Put 'em.
I want to put these over. Should I take
Come on.
one? Because I want to go on the water.
Where's the ball? Look it. Shells. We should collect our shells here.
What?
We should collect our shells here. There's shells. That's where I'm gonna know where my shells are. There's already shells collected there. There's already shells collected over there.
Hey, wait. Let me take off my shorts first.
That's considered sexual abuse.
No, I felt awkward. You have shorts under. I know, but still.
Maya, grab a leg. Oh shit.
No.
Grab leg.
No.
Eduardo, they're going in, Eduardo. Oh, that hurt. They're waiting for you to push him in. Puddles. So you're just gonna stand there?